So on the right side, and that's typical of allergy headaches, is when it's on the right side. I'm gonna get my right side. So when it's on the right side is related, and we look at what organs are on the right side. Liver and gallbladder are on the right side. And so because he's having sinus issues, it's over the right. That tells me it's liver's involved, right? So it's going to be the intersection between liver and colon. So yes, with allergies, gut and colon and, constipation, bowel regularity is a key component, but we want to look at to go a little bit deeper and to get more precise and to find exact oils. Where's the intersection? And because you've now told me it's over the right eye, I know eyes are related to kidney, but left or right side is related to liver issues. So now we have colon, we have kidney, and we have liver that is involved. All of those are your detoxifying organs. So it goes back to the point that his allergies are probably exacerbated by poor bowel health. And so adding in fiber, like I said, you can make all the remedies and it's going to give him some temporary relief. But to help him get sustaining, the holistic aspect is we have to look at what else can we do to support. And that's going to be saying, okay, now we need to look at fiber. Maybe we need to bring in some enzymes to help. Those would be two key places to start, because it's going to do something.
Yeah.
Those two things alone can do everything for the gut. They're so powerful, and it's what we need. It's basic, core nutrients in the diet. And so knowing that, okay, now we make those notes, and now we can go back and say, okay, I know liver is involved, I know kidney is involved, and I know gut is involved. Because it's allergies, I need some antihistamine oils. Histamines cause inflammation. So I'm also going to make sure that they're anti-inflammatory. So when I make my list of oils, I'm cross-referencing which oils work on all 5 of those things. Is there an oil that would work that's an anti-inflammatory, that's an antihistamine, that works on liver, kidney, and gut? And there are